Hi guys, it's Alyssa from Online Fabric Store. Today I'm going to show you how to make a really cheap mosquito net for your hammock or even a bed. So let's get started.
The materials you will need are 1 yard of ripstop fabric, no-seam mosquito netting fabric. I'm using 8 yards for a standard size hammock, but you may need more for a bed, blind cord, eyelets, eyelet pliers, safety pins, clips, scissors, a ruler or measuring tape, thread, and a sewing machine. Determine the length of the pieces you will need by measuring your bed or hammock and adding 1 foot for seam allowance and overhang. Once you figure out the length of the pieces you will need, calculate the number of panels you will need by increments of the width of the netting, which is 54 inches. You will want to make sure that there is a piece above your head about 3 feet away from your body so the net doesn't sit on you while you sleep. So make sure to add that into your equation. Always round up on this step because it's better to have more fabric than it to be laying on your skin. Cut as many panels of the netting to the length that you need it. With right sides facing, sew the panels together along the long sides so you end up with a large rectangle. On both ends of the tube, create 1-inch channels by folding the now short ends of the rectangle and then sewing down the raw edge of the netting. Leave 2 3-inch openings on opposite sides of the tube. Cut 4 pieces of cording for the sides that are 12 inches longer than whatever increment of 54 inches that you calculated. Using a safety pin attached to one end of the cording, thread the cording through one side of the channel and then through the other. Tie it off with the other side of that length of cording. Thread the other piece of cording using the same method, but start on the other side of the tube. Repeat this to add cording to the other side of the tube as well. Flip the tube right side out. Attach 4 eyelets using pliers to the direct center on the top of the tube. Attach an eyelet on both sides of the tube about 2 feet away from the other eyelets. There should be 8 eyelets on the net now in the shape of an X. Cut 2 20-foot lengths of cording for the top. String the cording from the outside of the net through one of the corners, out through the center and then directly back in, and then out through the opposite side. Do this to both 20-foot lengths of cording, creating a large X. Tie the strings loosely in place on both sides so they don't come out while the net is in transit. The extra length of rope should be used to attach to a tree or another nearby object so the net hangs above you while you sleep. Cut 2 pieces of ripstop that are 10 by 12 inches and clip them together with right sides facing. Sew around all but one of the short edges. See our reusable produce bag tutorial for more details on how to finish your drawstring bag.
This netting is super easy to use and it blends right into the rest of your hammocking gear. So you can lay out this summer and you don't have to worry about those pesky mosquitoes and gnats getting into your hammock. Thanks for watching this OFS project. Like and subscribe to our channel for more crafting videos, tips, and tricks. See you next time.